Well, don't let Jose fool you just because it doesn't look like it's going to be a direct landfall. There are still millions going to be feeling the effects of this storm today. And we're not just talking about the rain and this wind that we see picking up. We're talking about that dangerous roiling ocean that's going to be eroding these beaches that in many cases have just been rebuilt from Sandy.
This morning, high surf warnings are in effect from the Carolinas to New England.
I think it looks like it's starting to show its teeth.
Hurricane Jose spinning offshore in the Atlantic, but bringing dangerous conditions to the East Coast. Winds could gust over 40 miles per hour, and powerful waves could wash over some beach communities.
If we haven't learned anything else, I would hope from this season, is that you need to be prepared.
Along the Jersey Shore, beaches and shops calling it an early season as residents get ready. On Long Island, new construction was prepped for a possible storm surge. And in Nantucket, extra lines used to secure boats.
A big storm's coming and we're in the crosshairs.
While some aren't nervous about Jose,
I really don't see too much coming from this.
For those forced to rebuild after Superstorm Sandy 5 years ago, they can't help but keep a wary eye on any storms in the Atlantic.
If this gets knocked down like it did during Sandy, it's just sad.
And it's expected to get worse as we go through today. We're talking about beach erosion, those dangerous rip currents. And here in Manasquan, we are already, guys, seeing these waves top some roadways.
All right, Kristen, thank you very much.
Hello, Today fans. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking that button down there and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives.